Hey everyone, I hope you all are good. Zed here. Okay, so today, another day, another review. So today we are reviewing Affiliate Star. It's a new method that's gonna pay you 100 or $10,000 per month. Okay, sounds very strange, right? So this is a system. Affiliate Star is a funnel system. It's a basically method for building buyer list and subscriber list and making affiliate commission, right? So this is system for building subscriber list and making affiliate commissions. It is developed by an actual super affiliate who is using the same exact method himself. Okay, so this is how the product looks. Let's go to the website sales page here. So you can see, are you feeling frustrated online getting zero results? Brand new method, pay him 10,000 per month and feels like cracking the code. So there's actually a video that we're gonna see now. Okay, let's play this
You
and see
feeling
what the
frustrated online and getting zero results? Brand new method, pay him $10,000 per month and feels like cracking the code. Affiliate Star reveals a beginner-friendly method that literally took Mark from seeing zeros in his account to $500 plus day earnings and how to replicate it in less than 10 minutes. You're only one click away from hundreds of free, viral visitors in as little as 60 seconds, even if you have no tech skills and no experience. Introducing Affiliate Star. Free traffic to get high quality buyers' leads. What makes us different? This is a game changing traffic source that's as abundant as the four oceans. And it's all automated traffic on demand. In a matter of a few clicks, start sending free traffic directly to your offers. Inside this you will find step-by-step training, learn you how to get traffic for free. Hey there, over the past 7 years as a digital marketer, I've tried a lot of different methods. Truth be told, very few of them actually worked. But I kept coming back to affiliate marketing and list building. Because no matter what's happening in the economy, people need solutions to problems, and continue to pay for them. With a list and an affiliate account, you can get a slice of those never-ending sales. It's worked for me. I'm now one of the top earning affiliate marketers on one platform, and a platinum ranked vendor on another. So I've put all my experience step-by-step system that allows anyone to get buyers traffic for free and to do what I do. Without the learning curve or expensive trial and error. Here's why you've been struggling. I have the ultimate solution. These are the reasons most people struggle. Nobody wants to help you for free. Most methods don't work for newbies. You've been trying outdated methods. Every system requires experience. Every system requires tech skills. Information overload. No replies to your support questions. No support from family and friends. Too expensive to start. Now it's your turn to enjoy free viral traffic and sales. Congrats, your search is over. Affiliate Star levels the playing field for the small guy who's just starting out. It's designed and built for the beginner to get viral visitors. And you can effortlessly get viral visitors without any of the following. The key to real online success is getting free buyer leads. Here's why buyer leads is so powerful. You can work a lot less and spend your time doing the things that you want to do. Making money while you sleep is the ultimate rush and the key to creating a life of freedom. You never look for ROI after today, because every dollar you make is going to your bank account. Happiness and fulfillment. Freedom at every level. More free time. A good night's sleep. Now you ask yourself why you need this. First, you will get infinity free traffic for your offers. Second, passive income provides you with the freedom in your life to do the things you want to do, when you want to do them. Third, imagine being able to go on vacation and getting paid. Fourth, and the best part is, you're getting paid while you do the things that you want to do. Most people that try internet marketing fail. But why? Most people do a lot of the wrong things when it comes to getting traffic. Not because it's hard, but because they try to wing it and just figure it all out on their own, in many cases by looking at free resources and methods online that may be outdated or just plain out don't work. And again, when people struggle with traffic, it's not because it's all that hard. It's because the key to success with internet marketing is based on paying close attention to the little details. I've fine-tuned this method over the years so that I can earn reliable money online, work whenever I want to, work from wherever I want, spend more time with my family, spend more time fishing and kayaking, spend more time on the golf course, Basically, living my life the way I want to live it. Not sitting in a cubicle 40 to 60 hours a week like I did a couple decades ago. No boss, no employees, no stress. Doesn't that sound nice? Finally change your life, with highly profitable funnels, and hot buyer traffic and unlimited leads. Live the life you always dreamed of. Quit your 9 to 5 and work from home. Travel the world and be free. Buy new property and cars. Stack cash and build your bank balance. Secure your children's financial future. Become your own boss and take over. Take control of your life. I've experimented with nearly every way there is to make money online. And I haven't needed a job since 2016. If you used even a small percentage of your spare time growing a buyer's list, your financial situation and your lifestyle could change forever. Still wondering how this benefits you? It's literally freedom in a box. All what you have to do is follow my step-by-step method. You will never see this method anywhere else. This is a secret method that only some marketers know about it. We used this method in the last 3 years, making $200 OR more per day. Why this method is better than paid traffic? Because you will get targeted free traffic. There is a lot of buyers out there waiting to buy what you will offer for them. Imagine getting thousands of real people to see your offer. Would you make money? Well, you're in luck because we've designed this to absolutely blow other traffic methods out of the water. While other traffic sources are downright annoying, this one is underused and an absolute breeze.
So see, this video looks promising. So you have got all the information about this program, this method. Okay, so Affiliate Star reveals a beginner friendly method that literally took Philip from seeing zeros in his account to $500 plus day earning. So no expensive software, no expensive requirement, no BS. So what you will get inside this is you will get 100% free traffic by using this method. You will get 100%, it is 100% beginner friendly, work in any niche could think of, complete step-by-step training. You don't need website, no coding or designing skill required, brand new method that never has been released. Okay, uses 100% free buyer traffic that converts like crazy, right? So it's only in $22. The price is very less and they are offering you such great deal of things. Okay, so you will enjoy free buyer traffic. Traffic is one of the most important thing when it's come to affiliate marketing, right? You need to have a buyer list, you need to have a certain targeted audience who will buy product from you. Okay, so if you're into affiliate marketing, this method is going to work for you. So this is the website, this is the sales page, that how it looks like. So you can see all of the things are here. Okay, so the key to real online success is getting free buyers leads, and here's buyer leads is so powerful, right? It's a very right thing. So only 3 steps to start. Grab your copy, just copy what we do and earn money. Simple 3-step guide that gonna make you lots of money. Okay, so these are the few testimonials, few images of the people who have used it. Okay, so if you go check this out, this site, I am leaving a link below in the description, and if you check this out you can see it on your own. Okay, so it's great. Motivational speaker entrepreneurs are here. So what there are customers testimonial also, what the customer thinks about this product. Okay, this is the man who developed this product, who has been into affiliate marketing for 7 years, right? So how to get free, how to get high quality buyers leads. As I have already said all these things, the easiest, most proven way to create high profitable buyer list. Okay, so you see people are earning from this method, using this method. So it's a PDF. Okay, so this is how. Yes, bonus. So the vendor is also offering you few bonuses, but I have also made custom made bonus for you. I am also offering you few bonuses that is going to help you grow your YouTube channel, that is going to help you build a good affiliate marketing thing, right? So if you click on the link down below, it will look something like this. This is a custom made page that I have created on my own, and it's very exclusive. No one's going to give you this thing. Okay, so first of all, it's about Affiliate Star. I have written few things about Affiliate Star method. So you see I have put an image and what it is actually and what you will get here. So in point wise I have written everything what you are going to get using this method. Okay, and what are the steps. Okay, so these are the 5 bonuses that the vendor is offering you. The first bonus is your own money making machine, is a complete guide. Well, you are getting a guide worth $1952. Okay, so bonus number 2 is of $128, which is your own passive income cost. Bonus number 3 is your own Facebook Messenger bot marketing. So Facebook marketing, social media marketing. Bonus number 4 is ready for 10 website to help you make online income for $100 or pay or more per day. So it is one of the best offer, I think. Is for me it worked. Okay, so bonus number 5 is complete ClickBank and affiliate marketing tutorial. So if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, if you want to learn about the ClickBank, then this bonus is going to help you. So it also comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. Okay, so apart from all this thing, I am also offering you 2 bonuses. The first bonus is turn your Gmail into an autoresponder. See, Gmail email marketing is one of the most important thing when it comes to affiliate marketing, right? So this guide is going to help you turn your Gmail into an autoresponder. Okay, and don't worry about this logo here of YouTube Software Warrior. I have recently changed my YouTube title from the channel name from Software Warrior. Earlier it was Software Warrior, now it has become ZViews. Okay, so bonus number 2 is how to build a buyer list the easiest way. So here's another guide that I am offering from my side. The program is about the buyer list and this guide is also about buyer list, so you will get a lot of information in this also. And the bonus number 3 is the special bonus, the vendor bonus. Okay, so all the bonuses that are provided by the vendor you will get here. Okay, so this is me and you can contact me on this email ID, and I have also left a link of my YouTube channel here. So it's a win-win thing. So I have told you about the program, about the method, about the bonuses, and this brings me to the end of the video. I hope you might have got something, you might have learned something. I highly recommend you to check this out. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.